Rowan, this one is not like the one that we did where it said estimate, use the given information. I really do have to kind of estimate here, right? So, Rowan, I want you to help me on this first one. It says use mental math to estimate, okay? Rowan, 148% is close to what? 150%, right? Now let me ask you this. What's 100% of 84? So 100% would be 84. What do you think 50% would be? Yeah, what is half of 84? 42, right? So what do you think that 150% would be about? It would, right? Because it's 100% plus 50% gives me 150%. So that's 84 plus 42 gives me what? Not 12. You did not mean 12. You meant 126. Okay, so that's what we think 150% is. What do you think 148% might be? I don't know, we're just guessing. What do you think? Oh, wait, 6? I'd say 125 as an estimate, right? Because I only went down 2%, and I only went down 2% out of 150. So I'm just going to say, since that's more than 100%, I'm just going to come down one spot. And it's just an estimate. That's about right. I wonder what it is. What is it, Jenna? 124.32. That's a good estimate, isn't it? Nice job, Jenna. Jenna, will you do the same thing for us on this next one? I'm gonna talk through it with someone else, but find out what the answer is. Okay. Now let me ask you this. What do you think, Evan? What do you think 10% of 140 is? I don't think so. What's 10%? 10%, Hannah?
14.
It'd be 14, right? It's a 10. It's this thing divided by 10, right? 10%. So 10% is 14. I don't know. What do you think 1% is then? No, that would be 5%, right? 1.4. We just move the decimal place again, don't we? All right? Okay, so that's 1.4. Well, wait a minute. What do you think half of if 1% is 1.4, what do you think half a percent is? What's half a percent? Hands go up and they go back down. Hands are going up and they go back down. No, you know what the answer is. What do you think it is, Aiden?
7.7.
0.7, right? It's half of that. Okay? 0.7 is a half percent of 140. What's the answer? It is 0.7. Our estimate was exactly right. Okay? I was just cutting it in half. When I divide by 10, I move the decimal point one place, right? 10% is the same thing as 1/10, isn't it? Okay? 1% is the same as 1/100. That means I move it two places, 1.4. Okay? Yeah, Rowan.
When it says estimate,
Yeah?
do we have to
Well, it says use mental math to estimate.
so do we have to put our estimating number down and then the answer down?
No, you don't have to do both. You just have to put the estimate down. It just said use mental math to estimate the number. Okay? Because I'm not going to get that unless I use actual math. Right? I'm not going to get 124.32. I'm going to get about 125. All right? Okay, good job, guys. You ready for your homework?